So great. So good evening, everyone. Once again, first of all, we would like to really appreciate each one of you for committing to yourself, and participating on a Sunday evening for full moon meditation. That's the first challenge you have already overcome when it comes to your releasing your fears and acting on your goals, right? So we welcome you at Care of Mind Body Soul, and today, as you're aware, we are going to practice free full moon meditation, initiative from our team, that's Care of Mind Body Soul. And just to brief you a little about us, since you should know your facilitators as well. Care of Mind Body Soul is a house of alternative healing therapies, and we are basically helping individuals. We work with education institutes as well as corporates and solopreneurs. There are many entrepreneurs also, wherein they look for help in counseling as well as coaching and training in various modalities in alternative healing therapy, right? So we work on three-step module, that is we help you nurture. This is the process of nurturing yourselves. We definitely help you evolve and grow depending on what your requirement is and through individual services that we offer. So various modalities that we practice, there are 20 plus, but yes, the main key highlights, and it's a cumulative experience of more than 35 years plus, in fact, from Dr. Afshan and me together. Just to brief about our core team, who we are again. So you'll have already interacted with Afshan, a wonderful lady, okay, very dynamic. This is the age usually when most of the time people are sitting in front of the TV with the remote, and she's very passionately, along with me, working on our vision to serve humanity. So you can see her profile right here. And there is a lot more that she keeps upgrading herself. That is the best part. The learning never ends for Afshan. So she's a practicing counselor, a recognized counselor. She's listed in Practo also, a clinical hypnotherapist, NLP expert, graphologist. She's also a backflower therapist and a metaphor therapist, wherein through your drawing, she will be able to understand what your subconscious fears are, what exactly is the core issue, okay, of the situation that you're going through. She is a healer, in fact, a grandmaster Reiki healer and a trainer as well, a celebrity tarot consultant, and it goes on. And more than 40 years of experience is what Afshan has treasured herself with a lot of knowledge and wisdom through learning various modalities and practicing them as well. And she has helped over thousands of people globally already, right? So these are a couple of events, forums rather, where she has been recognized for her work, as you see. Recently, Afshan was awarded among the most influential, best influential professional of India, okay, in again the field of practicing counseling, clinical hypnotherapy, and as an alternative healing therapist, right? Among the inspiring women last year, in fact, recently, even by an upcoming a very big, in fact, Facebook community, that's Family Unite. She has been recognized for her work. And yes, she then we move ahead. Just a little about me also. Yeah. So I'm Trupti Sawant, very commonly known as Trups. Okay. And I come from HR background, so work in the corporate for more than 10 years with brands like Mercedes-Benz, Tata Chroma, Emphasis EDS, and TCS. And I am an handwriting and signature analysis expert since the age of 17. Now, don't try to guess our age. Okay, so I've always been passionate about reading people, understanding their mindset, their psychology, helping them evolve and grow since a very, very early age. Thanks to my mother, it has come as a gift through her, in fact. And yes, even I practice tarot reading and healing as well, especially pranic healing, right? And yes, a few forums again where I have been recognized for my work. So thanks to the divine, and we will quickly move ahead. So we are working very passionately on a vision to help at least 1 million people by 2025. We also do have other experts on board with us. One of them is my mother, Shubhangini Patankar, who is a well-established pranic healer. She does distance healing therapies, and throughout lockdown, again, just like Afshan, okay, be it age is never a barrier for them. She has been helping people almost at times having sleepless nights herself. And she has treated a lot of patients during COVID. Yeah. And of course, other critical illnesses as well. We do have a young girl who is an animal communicator. So if you all have pets, you all can feel free to connect with me if you all want to know the messages from what your pets want to convey to you. And we have many other people. Officially, we'll be launching them on board soon in the next 2 months. Just thought of highlighting a few initiatives, because once we start the meditation, we are going to be in a different zone altogether. So, few initiatives that we have planned for March 2021. This is a workshop which some of you have already experienced, that is Abundance Mindset 2021, which is going to start from 10th of March. Now, this is a therapy based workshop where we have combined 10 plus modalities. Okay, first, to help you understand your own blockages in regards to abundance when it comes to money, health, and relationship. Second, we help you to release those energy blocks from your life with help of various modalities that we practice. And third, we help you to develop a mindset in all three areas of abundance. And we have got amazing feedback. And if you practically see the counseling per session, if you compare, and the combination of modalities we are doing, the workshop is actually worth around at least 15,000 rupees, which we are offering at 1497. It is done via WhatsApp. You just have to be open to learn. Invest 15 minutes of your day anytime to learn what we conduct the workshop for, what is going to be taught to you in the workshop, right? And yes, some of you have also undergone rather taken up this 12 months beautiful guidance from us, an offer wherein you can ask one tarot question. We also do provide you an angel guidance message every month, and as per your date of birth, we provide you guidance through numerology as well, right? So this all three combined together, we are offering at rupees 997 only. And in case if you would also like to learn any of these modalities, then definitely we would be sharing the updates gradually. Don't worry, we're not going to spam you all. In the meditation group, our team member would be sharing the updates. Some of you have already learned tarot graphology and pendulum dowsing from us, right? So yes, I think Afshan, we have more participants who have joined in. So good to go. We can start now.
Ready?
Yes.
We have
Your voice is breaking.
Who has joined?
Afshan, your voice is breaking a little.
Was breaking. This I was breaking.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah, you option.
Yeah, you can hear.
Okay,
fine. So I want you all to, as I said before, one goal and any one fear which could be stopping you from reaching that goal. So during the meditation process, maybe another fear would come up, not that fear. So you can go with whichever fear comes up. Okay. So first, I don't want you all to close your eyes. Keep your eyes open first and look at front of you straight, and through your peripheral vision, means from without turning your eyes, I want you to notice any three things without turning your eyes or your head. Notice three things from the sides. Any three, just notice. Now I want you to hear, keep your eyes open, don't close them till I tell you to. I want you all to hear any three things. Just notice it. Any three things, just notice it. Now I want you to feel the sensation on your skin. It could be the feeling of your body, your sensory feeling of your body. Any three things. It could be anything on how your back is touching behind. If your hands are on your clothes, what is the feel of the clothes? Any three things. Now again, I want you to see in front of you and see from your peripheral vision, from your side vision, any two things, but different things, not the same one. Something different. Now I want you to hear two things, but something different from the one which you had heard before. Now the same thing with the feeling. Maybe the weight of your body on where you are sitting. It could be anything. Maybe your feet touching the ground. Now again, with your eyes open, I want you to see one thing from your peripheral vision. Any one thing from your peripheral vision. Now hear any one thing which is different from the previous one. Now same way, feel something, but something different than the previous one. Now take one deep breath and gently close your eyes. Now you are into you're totally present to the moment. Just be aware of your breath and watch your breath. See how it goes in and comes out. Notice it. Notice how when it goes in, it's a little cold, and when you exhale, it's a little warm. Just become aware of your breath. Now become aware of your scalp and feel your scalp relax. Your full scalp is completely relaxed. This relaxed feeling slowly starts going down to your forehead, your eyebrows, eyes, nose, cheeks, lips, chin. Even your tongue feels so relaxed. From the back of your scalp, it's going down the back of your neck, slowly coming down to the front of your neck. Slowly, this relaxed, sleepy feeling is going down your shoulders. Your shoulders feel so light as if a huge burden has been lifted from it. The relaxed feeling goes down both your hands, the upper arms, elbows, right up to the tips of your fingers. Now, it's slowly going down your chest area and your pelvic area. From the back of the neck, it's creeping down your upper back, middle back, lower back. Relax. Each and every bone, each and every vertebra is completely relaxed. All the organs in your body completely relaxed. This relaxed feeling is going down from your pelvic area, down to your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, and right up to the tips of your toes. Your physical body is relaxed and your mind is very, very calm. It's a beautiful evening. And you are at your favorite destination. And enjoy yourself. It's the perfect evening, the perfect weather. And you are feeling very happy and relaxed. From wherever you are, you start walking, and as you're walking, you come across an open field. Lush green fields. You continue walking. You reach a beautiful garden. Beautiful flowers, fragrant flowers, colorful flowers. And you continue walking. You pass through an orchard of your favorite fruit, hanging within your arm's reach. You pluck a fruit and take a nice juicy bite and continue walking. And as you continue walking, slowly the sun sets and the beautiful moon is seen. The moon is bright and radiant. It's so radiant that when you look at your palms, you can see the lines on your palms. And when you see the lines on your palms, you realize that it is holding many goals, many dreams of where you want to be, what you want to do, where you want to reach. All that's within your arm's reach because it's there in your palms and you can see it. But you suddenly realize that you are carrying a fear inside you. It could be any fear. It could be a fear of a person. It could be something to do with your emotions, your mental status, any fear. Feel that in your body. It's somewhere in your body. Connect your body as it is. It's placed somewhere in your body. It could be. Now ask that fear to start coming out of your body and spilling out in front of you. Just request it. It has to. Ask it, please come out of my physical body and go about 4 to 5 feet away from me and collect there. It could come out in some form of some color. Whatever color is coming out, let it come out. It could come out in the form of some gooey stuff, in the form of symbols. Anything, let it come out and be there in front of you, about 5 feet away from you. Now that all the fear has come out from your body and is standing there right in front of you, 5 feet away from you, you realize that it's in the shape of maybe a monster, maybe a dragon, anything. It's taking a certain form. Let it be there in front of you. Now, using the processing skills of your subconscious mind, using the universal intelligence which is within you, using the power of imagination, you are visualizing whatever is there in front of you getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller till it's just 1 inch big. Make it smaller and smaller and smaller till it's only 1 inch big. Now, when you look at it, you laugh. How could I be afraid of this monster? Either you choose to go and stamp it, or you choose to ask that little 1 inch thing to go away. The choice is yours. Totally yours. If it's going away, just watch it go away and slowly disappear. Now, either to your left or to your right, you see a beautiful chair. It's something like a throne. Your favorite color tapestry is on that. Now I want you to invite any one person who is your ideal. A person whom you look up to. A person who could help you reach your goal. Invite that person to please come and sit on this chair. That person is sitting on that chair. Tell that person to leave his or her wisdom on how to go about to reach your goal. Tell them to leave it on that chair. Tips and techniques. Thank that person. Say thank you very much. You can go back from where you have come. That person gets up. You fold your hands in front of him or her and watch her go away. Him or her go away. Then you go and sit on that chair. And when you sit on that chair, all that advice, all that energy, the tips and techniques start entering. And go in each and every cell of your body. Creates fresh neural pathways in your brain. You know exactly now what steps you should take, what actions to be done. Just sit on that chair and let each and every cell of yours imbibe, take in all this energy. The cells start glowing with the wisdom and knowledge which this particular person has left for you. This person was kind enough to give you advice, because of which that person's wisdom and knowledge is doubled. Just take in, just drink in this beautiful energy. And sitting there on that chair, visualize you reaching the goal. Divine magic begins now. Divine magic begins now. Divine magic begins now. Whenever you feel comfortable enough, integrated enough, you could open your eyes whenever you want to. You can gently open your eyes. Has everybody opened their eyes?
Yes.
Don't want to disturb anybody.
You okay, Arshan?
Yeah. I think I became too emotional. That is why I started coughing. I wanted everybody to get it. I'll just go get a glass of water.
Sure.
Hmm?
Wow, see most of you feeling very relaxed and calm. Once Afshan is back, you can share your experience also.
So everybody integrated enough, no? Is anybody feeling a little not integrated? कुछ हो रहा है तो बोलो. You can unmute yourself and tell me. Everybody fine, no? No heavy head or anything? Great.
Yes, I'm feeling heavy head.
Who said that?
I'm feeling me, Prerna.
Prerna, okay.
All right, then you can, if you want, you can gently close your eyes back again. Okay? I'm going to count you up from 1 to 5. And at 5, you'll be fully awake, feeling really fantastic about yourself. So start coming up at 1, further up at 2, feeling fine, fresh, relaxed. At 3, with all the other bodies integrated with the physical body right now. 4, feeling on the top of the world. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. Fine, everybody now?
Yes, better than
Prerna, how's your head?
better than before.
Okay, don't worry.
This is first time, so actually this experience was
That
first
is
time.
that. Yeah.
I think Afshan Trupti wants to share something. She raised her hand.
Trupti Khan, yes, Trupti, bolo.
So I have experienced this couple of times post meditation or during the meditation, and even today, when you started, I was good. I mean, I won't know how much time, but there was a phase in between I was completely lost. So I don't remember. So when you were narrating the whole thing, I suddenly again got back the conscious and I was listening what you're saying. So when
Okay.
you said about fear, when you said about your goals, so I was like on and off, getting conscious again, going back to this and completely blank in between.
That's the best way to be, because totally तुम्हारा conscious mind तुम दे देते हो to your subconscious mind. जब भी
I
आप
do
सोते हो, जब भी when you sleep in the night, are you aware that you're sleeping? No.
no.
बराबर है? Same way. During meditation, if you don't know where you were, but you're sitting, you see, you're not sleeping.
No, I was sitting.
That means being in a conscious state, total तुमने ना subconscious को total अपने आप को दे दिया.
Surrender कर दिया.
Surrender कर दिया. The subconscious mind is 9,000 times more powerful than the conscious mind.
Oh, wow.
So yeah. So you were in a zone which was 6,000 times, and this ये बहुत कम लोगों को होता है.
मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है.
Very good. That means you go into a very, very deep. I don't want to go into the technical details, but you go into a very deep trance.
Okay.
So, in fact, तुमको सबसे ज़्यादा फायदा होगा because you directly gave up to the zone which is 9,000 times more powerful.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, because I think I became conscious only around 5 minutes ago when you mentioned about your goals again, and then I can only remember that much. I
Because
don't remember anything else.
consciously तुमको याद नहीं है, but subconscious mind ने सब ले लिया. Don't worry.
Oh, fantastic. I'm glad. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Any other question?
So I'll not feel guilty about it,
No,
because
no,
I
no, no,
always
no,
feel,
no, 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 no.
I always feel that how can I do this,
अगर तुम यही चीज लेट के करे होते ना, then you would have popped off to sleep.
Right.
But
हाँ,
here you were sitting. You were
correct.
sitting. Physically, you were alert. Sitting. Otherwise, you would have gone like this, no?
Yes.
Good.
Thank
Any
you.
other question?
Question.
While that question, sorry.
Go ahead.
Ma'am?
Yeah. While that you're saying that put some person on that throne.
Yeah.
किसी को सीट पे बिठा आपने बताया था, तो आई गॉट कंफ्यूज. मैं 3-4 लोगों को ऐसे इमेजिन कर रही थी. इससे पहले सोच रही थी कि नहीं ये पर्सन हेल्प करेगा, फिर नहीं ये शायद नहीं करेगा, तो ये करेगा. आई गॉट कंफ्यूज समटाइम्स.
पर कोई बैठा ना जाके.
ऐसे वो पता नहीं चला मुझे.
ठीक है, no issues. चलेगा. तो 4 जन उधर तुमने see, our imagination has got so much power ना, इतना पावर होता है. अगर हम बोले कि मेरे सामने एक शील्ड है, शील्ड नहीं वो स्वॉर्ड एंड वो ये करते हैं. इफ यू से कि आई एम प्रोटेक्टेड बाय अ ह्यूज मेटल शील्ड, आई एम प्रोटेक्टेड. You know, our word, human being, you know, God has given us so much power. हम लोग बोलते हैं वो चीज होती है. That is why we have to be so careful of what we say, what we think. Okay, पर उसमें से 4 जन अगर आए ना, तो 4 people when I have said कि एनर्जी छोड़ो, तो वो एनर्जी छोड़े हैं, वो बिलीव करो. Any other question, Reena?
Mamta also from Canada.
Who?
Mamta has joined us this time.
Oh, acha Mamta. Hi, but were you there from the start?
Yes. I was there from the start of Shan. And as usual, this was amazing. I was feeling so bad last 2 times I couldn't get to attend the full moon. So this time I ensured that, after talking to Dhruv, I luckily got it. Because
so
now it's 11:15 now.
AM, PM?
In the morning.
Morning.
AM, morning, yes. So that's the perfect time for me.
Yeah, great.
Yes. Thank you, Akshan. Thank you, Dhruv.
Pleasure, dear. Always join us.
Yes. Always. Thank you.
I think we have Kirti Bakshi. Wow, Dr. Neeta Mishra also has joined.
Okay. Kirti, kuch bolo? I think she's not sitting there.
Anyone who would like to
I'm here.
Hey, yeah, man. How are you?
Hi.
आ जाओ, कैमरा पे आ
Very
जाओ.
good.
कैमरा पे आ जाओ.
I'm here.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
She's
So I attended the last 20 minutes.
She's my teacher of metaphors.
Yeah, it was very nice.
Great, very nice.
Great.
Very nice.
So if it comes from my teacher, then I'm quite happy.
No, yeah, come on, Akshan, you're way beyond that now.
Ari, come on now.
Great. Yeah, anybody would like to ask any question or any Kavita? Yes,
Hi,
Kavita.
Kavita
Yes,
here.
Kavita.
Hi, Akshan. Kavita here.
Hi.
So this is my second meditation which I have attended with care of mind. So I have a question that whenever, like on the same day when we had this meditation, like I feel very charged up. Okay, so but this, this does not last for longer time. Like throughout the month, if I want, to keep this mind that I'm reaching to my goal and I have to do certain things which we discussed today, like regarding fear and all. So what we are supposed to do for that?
So since we have loaded,
charge.
we are going to upload it on YouTube. So every day सुनो ना.
Okay.
Take one fear, एक fear को लो and work on it till that fear goes away completely. Then take another fear. Okay. Do it constantly.
Okay,
because There are many people जो जिनको वो पूरा चलता है 1 महीना, तो मे बी स्ट्रेसर्स ज्यादा रहेंगे तुम्हारे लाइफ में, तो यू मस्ट बी गेटिंग अ लिटिल डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय दैट, नो? तो होम्योस्टैटिस बॉडी का होम्योस्टैटिस जिसको बोलते हैं, बैलेंस जो बोलते हैं, थोड़ा हिल जाता रहेगा ना। तो कविता एवरीडे करो ये, हाँ। एंड दूसरा भी लास्ट मंथ का भी मेडिटेशन जो था वो भी करो, because every month we will be addressing something and then seeing how we can rectify the same.
लास्ट मंथ का यूट्यूब पे होगा?
Yes.
Sorry?
लास्ट मंथ का यूट्यूब में होगा?
हाँ है ना,
Right?
लास्ट मंथ का है. If you want, we will send you the link.
Yeah, send the link. No?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Last month also was different, and at least I enjoyed doing it for everybody.
Reena has raised her hand. Yes, Reena.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes, Reena?
the entire, yes. Can you hear me, Akshan?
Yeah. Bolo.
Yeah. So the entire experience was beautiful. Is what I wanted to share is that like when you asked someone to just sit on the chair, like invite someone to sit there on the chair, like out of nowhere or other, like I saw Sabyasachi sitting there. Literally.
Who's?
Like
Sabyasachi, wow.
Sabyasachi.
Oh, okay, great.
And
See, you can invite anybody. लोग तो अमिताभ बच्चन को भी बुलाते हैं. Believe me, during my private counseling sessions, they decide on something and बाद में बोलते हैं अमिताभ बच्चन आके बैठ के गया, पर बहुत छोड़ के गया ना, बहुत अच्छा. फिर know this I had done it.
It was a delight.
On when we had gone on a picnic, we were about 40 ladies, and then the person who had organized uske games सब खत्म हो गए. She came and she told me कुछ करो ना, they are getting bored. So I said okay, I made everybody stand, all the 40 ladies, and it's the first time I tried in such a big group. Oh my, everybody got, because उसमें तो they actually stood up and they did कुर्सी में बुला के, then they got up and they sat and all ना. तो इतने लोगों को they got such breakthroughs, no, कि we know what to do now. So you all can do this. See, we are not, क्या अभी के लिए नहीं है ये तुम लोग, you all can every day ना, तो every second day ना, तो every third day ना, तो once a week करो. It's there on the YouTube.
Got that. Okay. Okay. One more thing I wanted to ask Shan is that whenever there is a full moon,
your voice is cracking, dear.
Okay. Now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm saying whenever there is a full moon, I am just like so happy looking at the moon. I'm like a child, so joyful, so joyful. And is it like, and I go out for walks. I want to be there all the time.
Very good, Reena. Reena, yeah, good you told this, because I didn't tell in the starting. What happens on a full moon, whatever you are is magnified. तो तुम लोग के moods check करो full moon में क्या रहते हैं. अगर suddenly during the full moon you feel very sad, you feel depressed, means that's become your personality. So especially during the full moon, 3 days before and 3 days after, कैसे भी करके try to be in a happy mood, joyful mood. कुछ भी करो लेकिन खुश रहो. Very important, because during these days, because we have, they say the ocean also starts rising during the full moon. तो जब ocean को अगर full moon हिला सकता है, तो हम तो 70% water ना, ocean के सामने तो हम कुछ भी नहीं है. तो जितना हो सके, या especially during this full moon time, whatever you are is magnified, So that's why we do this meditation. तो अभी देखो खुश हुए ना तुम लोग, happy हुए, motivated हुए, so this will remain with you all for some time.
Okay.
And every time we have to call anybody else, or just one person जो जिसको बुलाया chair पे बिठने को.
अभी तुम ये रोज करो ना.
नहीं, रोज करते तो रोज different person को बुलाने का, कि जो
It depends. Your mind will tell you whom to call.
मेरा माइंड तो बुलाया है, वो पर्सन आ गया मेरे पास,
कौन है?
मेरे सामने।
You know, post है कीर्ति है कि गई? Okay, Kirti is there. If it's speaking skills now, I always call Kirti my teacher. Come and sit on this chair and teach me how you speak. She speaks beautifully. So you can call anybody.
We have Dr. Sadhna also.
Yes.
You there?
Yeah, it was actually a very divine experience.
Sorry, divine experience.
Yeah, I would like to thank you. And I wanted to ask you one thing, like when you said walk in the garden, pluck the fruit, I could see myself as a small child in a white dress and a white cap.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know what that was, but I was like, jumping and, running, and like how a small child behaves, plucking the fruit, eating. So I don't know, I just went back into my childhood.
Happy moments, na? See, happy moments pe gaye na? Unhappy moments pe nahi gaye na? Bas then it's fine.
Yeah,
and
and the minute you said about the fear, let the fear come out, there was some feeling on my arm, since morning, and in my knee since the last 2 days. I don't know what it was.
Okay.
But when you said let it come out, and I felt a tingling sensation over there.
Mm-hmm.
And now I just cannot feel it. So,
so
it's
this is mind-boggling, because whatever emotions are there, all the diseases, all the aches, all the pains, about 97% of all our ailments are psychosomatic. What do I mean by psychosomatic? Mind creates it. Psycho is mind, somatic is body. So mind creates it. Maybe 3% is actually because of the viruses or bacteria. So when it's inside your body, when we are asking it to come out, we are addressing that particular emotion. We are externalizing it. We have to externalize. Andar se hum bahar lete hain. And then only we can work. Because if we are caught up in the drama inside, then we become participants. Na emotions mein hum fir, it's like hum play dekh rahe hain and देखते देखते हम जाके play में भाग लेते हैं. वैसा थोड़ी करते हैं ना हम. उधर ही बैठ के देखते हैं ना.
Right.
Don't go and start acting a movie. If you're watching a movie, we don't go inside the movie and start acting, no? So that's why we have to externalize it and then work on it. So you all can use this for any fear. You all can use this for pain. ये exercise, pain को निकालो. कोई healthy person को बोलो आके बैठो. If you suppose your exercise is not your motivation and you want to exercise, lose weight, call a fit person. Let them sit. मुझे को बोलो मैं कैसा करूँ, and that person will give you tips, give you techniques, and follow them. ये खाली करके फायदा नहीं है, फिर एक्शन भी लेना पड़ेगा तुम लोग को. क्या ये कर दिया वो हो गया, वैसा नहीं. एक्शन जो उसमें से एडवाइस आया आपको, because it's not that person who is giving you advice, it's your subconscious mind which is giving you advice. Because the subconscious mind of the entire human population is one. सबका subconscious mind connected होता है. I am connected to your subconscious mind. You are connected to mine. So it's not that person who is giving you advice. It's your subconscious mind which is telling you ऐसा करो भी ऐसा करो. ऐसे तो आप सुनते नहीं हो. तो इस तरह से हम आपको ऐसे नाक पकड़ने नहीं बोले, हम ऐसे नाक पकड़ने बोले. वही बात है.
So can I ask something?
Yeah, sure.
In continuation what you said just now. So in my case, when I don't remember or when I don't know, who came and sat on the chair or whatever, what was I doing in the garden. Because अभी जब ये बता रहे तो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि अच्छा ये ऐसा भी था, मतलब गार्डन में भी जाना था या फिर कोई चेयर पे भी आके बैठना था या फिर
You have gone, but you're not consciously aware of it.
हाँ, तो मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या गाइडेंस आया या क्या आया, तो फिर कैसे.
Like for example, हमें language, we know all the languages of the world subconsciously, but consciously नहीं आता है, उसके लिए हम बात नहीं कर पाते. But on a subconscious level, we know all the languages because we are connected to everybody, na?
Yeah, we are one. Energy level is we are one.
We are one. That is the power of the subconscious mind.
So what you are saying is that whatever the instruction, whatever the guidance has come, I will automatically, subconscious level will start acting on it.
Yes.
Slowly, gradually. And when I practice it every day or day after, frequently, consistently, it will show the result.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Who said, who asked me, Kavita, na?
Yeah.
Kavita, are you there?
No, I think she's logged off.
Okay, the question which Kavita asked was कि आज एक दिन रहता है, मेरे को बाद में चला जाता है. This like हमने एक neural pathway brain में बनाया है. It's like, you know what is a mud path? पगडंडी जिसे बोलते हैं, आज वो बनाया है. पर yeah, the more you practice that path becomes a road बन के it becomes a highway. And एक बार highway बन गया ना, अगर हमको गाड़ी लेके जाना है और highway है और पगडंडी है, हम क्या लेंगे? Highway लेंगे ना?
Highway.
By default हम उधर जाएंगे. So that is how we'll behave.
Okay.
So constancy is very, very important. Being constant is very important. आज किया फिर 15-20 दिन के बाद क्या, doesn't work like that.
वो neuro connection टूट जाएगा, correct.
हाँ,
it will not be strengthened.
Yeah, because the पगडंडी में weeds grow हो जाते हैं ना, the mud pathway weeds grow हो जाते हैं.
Correct. It will die.
And then वो effect चला जाता है.
Correct.
I think Trupti, we can connect and tell her this, huh?
Yes, we can do that. Definitely.
We'll connect to her and just tell her this.
Let's take last two participants. Yeah. Parul, yes. I think Parul wants to speak.
Yes. Hello. Hi, Troops. Hello, Afshan, ma'am.
Hi, Parul.
मुझे ना, like since last few days, I will try to sleep properly, but I'll get some dreams और एकदम disturbed सी sleep होती थी. और आज के meditation में मुझे उतना ही याद है कि आपने वो visualize करने बोला. Then you asked me to close my eyes. After that, I started walking. After that, I don't remember anything. और मुझे सिर्फ ये वापस मेरा आँख, मुझे ऐसे लगा शायद मैं सो गई थी और एकदम ही अच्छी नींद आई. And when I woke up, it was like you asked कि अभी आप जाके कुर्सी पे बैठो. तो जैसे उन्होंने पूछा वैसे, और मेरे साथ ना इसके पहले भी आपके मेडिटेशंस मैंने किए थे, ऐसे ही हुआ कि क्या चल रहा है मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है. बट वन थिंग इज कि मुझे बहुत अच्छी नींद आती वो टाइम पे, और उठने के बाद एज इफ कि मैं पूरा रात सो के उठी हूँ, इतनी फ्रेश होती हूँ.
That's very deep meditation. See, देखो तुम lie down नहीं कर रही थी ना, बैठी थी ना. तुम बैठ के सोती हो कभी? तुम बैठ के कभी सोती हो?
नहीं,
कभी नहीं ना. ट्रेन में जैसा कभी सोती हो?
मोस्टली तो नहीं.
So then that is a very, very, very deep state of trance.
जैसे मुझे सीखना है कि कैसे गोल अचीव करना है या फियर्स को कैसे भगाना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मुझे तो कुछ, मैंने तो कुछ सीखा ही नहीं.
नहीं, वो तुम्हारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड तुम्हें गाइड करेगा.
Right.
It will guide you, don't worry. But do this constantly.
Okay.
Go on the YouTube and do it. Trupti will load it.
Okay.
Trupti, by when will it happen? So you can tell them.
Early morning tomorrow, because now we have a client call, Afshan. I'll discuss with you after we are done.
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Chalo, thank you very much for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, Trupti.
Thank you. Heartfelt gratitude.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Be there in the WhatsApp group, because
Where is your
Yeah, we'll share it.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Connect later.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Everybody do subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. I'll be sharing the link as well. Okay.
Subscribe it to them. Oh,
Yeah,
Bhavini, Bhavini, where are you?
Trupti, where is your son?
I'm here, Afshan, he's here.
Oh, so cute.
Hi. Hello.
Dum dum.
Thank you, Bhavini.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
All right. Good night and have a
Where is your
fantastic
son?
week,
Where
everyone.
is your son?
Laksh,
Yeah.
Laksh is out.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. Missing him.
I know. Video chat karati hu baad mein.
Karana, missing him.
Yes, sure.
Thank
All right.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, Afshan.
Bye. Bye, Kirti.